Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? I hope you in a good condition. Let me introduce myself. I'm Lailatul Muniroh, and I would like to present about journal with the title AI and ELT: Affordances and Challenges by Adam and Neenaz and Diane. If you wanna know more about this journal, you can take a look in this link by yourself. Okay, let's get started. English is widely used for work, travel, communication, and global connection. To master it, student or learner need proficiency in listening, reading, writing, and then speaking. So, artificial intelligence or AI is a computer system that mimic human intelligence that can aid language learning by providing a safe environment and supporting various skills like reading comprehension and then language practice and pronunciation correction. So educators need to understand how AI can assist English language learner, prompting a systematic review of existing study. And then Saragah and Sa'di and Yang and Kyun asked for a reason through a review of AI in English language education. This review aimed to understand AI application in ELT. And then the main inquiry for the first is how is AI being used for educational affordances in ELT or English language teaching and learning? And the second, what are the challenges of using AI in ELT? So the next is research method. This involves a mixed method approach with quantitative method to provide data with basic numbers, and then qualitative inductive and deductive coding technique using a priori and grounded coding to provide a summary of how AI is being used in ELT and generate new theory from the collective review of the study. So discovered coding, on the other hand, um, was used to identify AI's benefit and challenges in ELT. So for the next is finding and discussion. For the first inquiry is how is AI being used for educational affordances in ELT? Previous review focused on specific category like language skills, but in this study, use grounded coding, which is looks at what actually being studied. They found that related to speaking, writing, and then reading skill, but not in the listening skill. And then the study show how AI is used to enhance teaching practice, help students regulate their learning, and explore their emotional aspect. So for the first is speaking skill. Several studies looked into using AI to enhance English language speaking skill in teaching and learning. They focus on three main areas. For the first is sub skill, and then teaching method and technology. For the sub skill, AI help mainly with pronunciation by giving feedback on the pitch and intonation. And the second is in teaching method. AI act as a conversation partner and language coach and encouraging meaningful interaction and vocabulary learning. And the last is technology. In technology, such as speech recognition, automatic analysis, and adaptive learning were used. For the example, AI model helps student practice pronunciation. And the next is writing skill. The study discussed how AI tools like grammar checkers and translation program impact writing skill. They found that this tool can help improve vocabulary, grammar, and writing quality, especially for English language learner. And AI translation tools like Google Translate uh, can help learner access more complex vocabulary and expand their language skill. And the next is in the reading skill. The study found that reading was not as common as speaking and writing in the data. However, there were studies focusing on reading skill, with vocabulary being the main area of interest like gaming. On gaming, we explore as a pedagogical tool for reading, with some study showing how gaming can help students learn vocabulary in context. For example, in a game with the name World of Warcraft or WOW. In this game, players learn vocabulary through interaction with AI characters and other players. This suggests that gaming with its AI elements could be a valuable tool for engaging students who may be uninterested in traditional learning method. Okay, for the next is in a pedagogy. The text discusses how pedagogy or teaching method is studied in the context of English language teaching and learning, particularly focusing on the integration of artificial intelligence or AI. They found that AI can personalize learning experience, a seen in study where AI system tailored content and assessment to individual learner. Also, AI can enhance teaching and learning. Uh, educators should consider incorporating AI capability to create more personalized and effective learning environment. The next is self-regulation. Self-regulation itself is the ability to manage thought, feeling, or emotion and action to reach goal and stay well. Emerged as a key idea in this study, and it's important because it shows how people can control themselves, especially when they use AI tool for learning. And researchers found that using AI tools like chatbot can help students set goals and feel more connected in online classes. And then students use robot and virtual reality to practice English. This helps them feel more in a control and motivated. And then AI can also help reduce anxiety in language learning. For example, uh, when using AI for speech recognition, it can improve speaking skills and lower anxiety. So the study showed that AI can support students in setting goals, feeling more confident, and reducing anxiety in language learning. And the next is, and the second is, what are the challenges of using AI in ELT? The study discussed how AI systems in language teaching often focus on their benefits rather than the challenges they pose. However, there are four main challenges emerged in this study. For the first is technology breakdown, limited capability, fear, and standardizing language. For the first is technology. Technology breakdown include issue like connectivity problem or AI giving incorrect answer. And the second is limited capability, refer to user wanting AI to do more in a better way. And the third is fear. It arises from concern about personal data and how AI operate and its impact on a natural human interaction. And the last is AI might standardize language and ideology. As seen in cases like Google Translate, it is influence on language use. So educators and developers need to be aware of the challenges and work to address them to ensure AI benefits all language learner while preserving cultural diversity and natural language use. So, from this review looked at how AI is used in teaching English across all learner level. AI is used in speaking, writing, reading, and teaching method and self-regulation in teaching in English learning. And then the challenges when using AI include technology issue and concern about AI standardizing language. Furthermore, English teachers need to understand AI's benefit and limitation. So the study suggests further research is needed, and policymakers can use this information to understand how AI is used in English teaching. And that's all my presentation. I hope through this journal we can know about benefits and challenges in using AI, and we should have a good self-control in using AI. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.